Today we are taking you on a journey to the western slope of Colorado, where living like a local means embracing nature, owning horses, tending to a garden in your backyard, and even building your dream house in the mountains. So let's dive right in. First things first, owning animals is a way of life here. Whether you have a ranch with cows, a pasture with horses, or your furry feline friend, if you like animals, this may just be the place for you. Taking care of horses seems like it might be a lot of work sometimes, but today we are just here to meet, greet, and feed. Proper nutrition for horses require a balanced diet consisting of forage, hay or pasture, and supplemental grains or concentrates. The amount and type of feed really just depends on factors such as the horse's age, weight, activity level, and overall health. As far as owning horses go, you not only can explore the stunning landscapes of the western slope via horseback, but it also gives you a very unique, deep connection with nature. You can ride through the canyons, trot along rivers, and explore the mountains for longer than you normally would be able to on foot. I've heard it's a bond that's harder to describe unless you experienced yourself, so naturally it is high up on my bucket list. Now let's talk about building your dream house in the mountains. This house is so awesome. The whole outside is made out of this corrugated metal. Picture waking up to panoramic mountain views, breathing in the crisp mountain air, and being surrounded by the most beautiful nature your mind could ever think of. My friends Ellie and Andrew are actually building their own house and giving us the grand tour of the grounds today. Building your own house is not the norm by any means, but just highlights the adventurous personalities these mountain towns attract. Building a house here can be difficult due to the high demand of homes needing to be built, intense winters, and limited laborers. We're gonna go see if Ellie has killed all of her plants in the greenhouse.
You coming in?
Yeah, I'm coming in. Now let's talk about green thumbs. This is the greenhouse. Many locals here have their own greenhouses and gardens. It's not just a hobby, it's a passion. Having your own greenhouse means you can grow your own fresh produce all year round. From tomatoes to peppers, lettuce to herbs, the possibilities are endless.
You want to try a little strawberry?
Yeah.
Share more.
So these are the strawberries, and we're gonna try some?
Yeah. Well, you might want to wash
Yeah,
them.
I'll wash it. It's a little dirty. It's fine. We're rugged out here. These are cute.
I've only had like 2 fruit.
What is that?
Thyme, chive, a little bit of chive that's
Ooh.
alive. Assorted greens, lacinato kale, blue kale, collards.
Plus, the satisfaction of knowing where your food comes from and nurturing it yourself is truly rewarding. In this community, neighbors will trade and barter with each other, as there's not really a grocery store super close by, so it's a great way to get everything you need.
The flow hive combs, they can split, so you don't have to kill the bees when you're harvest honey. You just turn a nozzle and it splits the hive and all the honey without disturbing the bees.
So that's where they live? Or will they?
Will.
Yeah,
Getting
not right
ready
now.
for them to move in. It was
In here?
No, they'll be outside.
Yeah, I was gonna say, is that gonna be?
Anyways, it's not just about the horses or the garden or the mountain house. Living like a local on the western slope means really immersing yourself in the vibrant community. It's small but mighty. You will make lifelong friendships with people who share your love for this incredible place. And big shout out to Chad and Allison for the amazing hospitality and Roscoe for treating us like family. It's a place where you can disconnect from the hustle and bustle of city life and reconnect with nature, yourself, and with a tight-knit community that values simplicity, sustainability, and the wonders of the great outdoors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment down below sharing your thoughts. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep living like a local. See you in the next one.